Hey everyone, welcome to Drum Shop. Today we're going to be learning a basic drum beat. Now today's lesson is actually a part of a series called How to Play Drums for Beginners, and if you haven't checked out the first video right here, be sure to because it's very, very important. If so, let's dig right in. What we're learning today is actually the first drum beat that I learned about 15 years ago and is called the basic rock beat. The first step into a basic rock beat is to count eighth notes on the hi-hat. What I mean by eighth notes is counting 8 notes within the measure, and they're going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, step 2 is to add the snare drum to beats 2 and 4 along with the eighth notes on the hi-hat, which is going to look something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So once you have that down, we're going to add the kick drum to beats 1 and 3 along with the hi-hat eighth notes. Looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 and. So one thing I actually really want to stress today is that make sure when you're learning these beats to count out loud with me. This may seem silly and it may seem like a hard thing to do at first, but it gets easier as you do it and it's actually going to help you break down this beat and it's going to help you learn it quicker. So on that note, let's put it all together while you're counting out loud with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 So once you have that drum beat down at a slower tempo and you make sure you're hitting all of the notes, you can start to speed it up a little bit. I recommend doing this with a metronome, and a metronome is going to help you stay on tempo and it's also going to be able to let you track your progress. You'll be able to write down your BPMs that you're playing at a certain speed and you'll be able to push yourself from there and make your beats faster, and you'll actually see progress every time you sit down to the drums if you're keeping track of your BPMs. Also, if you learned anything from our video or got anything out of it, please be sure to like this video and also subscribe because we will be releasing brand new videos, brand new lessons every single week, so be sure to come on back. Thanks for watching.